this is how to crochet a yarn mat. First we're going to make plastic yarn, and I have the video on my page. And then we are going to use at least a 10mm size hook. Mine is 11.5, and we're going to chain 42. Then we'll add a single crochet into every single chain, starting with the second chain from the hook. And we're going to add rows until our mat reaches 6.5 feet in length. According to the internet, it should take about 500 to 600 bags, which is why I've been holding off on making the video, but you asked. So I will try and add one row every day and then give you an update once a week.
With it, group drop. With it, group drop.